McAnally, and we're gonna be answering some of your guys' questions about Ask Auto Care and anything you guys have going on about auto parts and service. One of the top questions we have is, do I really need the service that my shop recommends?
Well, for sure, if you've run your vehicle in and we've inspected it, they're only gonna tell you what you need. If it's something they're recommending the next service, they're just preparing you for the future. But if it's something you really need, our techs will let you know. They're certified ASE technicians, and they're not gonna mislead you.
So when it comes to people having issues with their vehicles, how do they know that it's truly urgent?
That's a very good question. Check engine lights come out. People think they need to pull over and stop. That's just a warning. Bring it in, let us inspect the vehicle. You bring it to your local NAPA Auto Care. There's 17,000 of them nationwide, and they will tell you what you need to know.
There's plenty of them to get serviced at. In your opinion, what are some of the questions they should be asking their service providers?
If this service really makes sense, look at the age of the vehicle, know how old it is, if they should be performing this service, if it can wait till the next oil change, if it needs to be done right now. Is it safe to drive it with this condition? Should I get it fixed now to be safe, to be able to take my kids to school, right?
Yeah, those are all really important questions. The big question, the check engine light, what does it really mean?
Check engine light typically is just a warning, and we need to, at that time, plug in with our scan tool, look at what code it's throwing and find out what it is. But it's usually just a warning. As long as your vehicle is still running the same, it feels safe, there's no conditions that you're feeling or driving through, then bring it in and we'll check it out.
Yeah, probably bring it in while that warning is coming up. And when it comes to diagnostic testing, why isn't that service free?
Wow, great question. This is something that we have to explain to our customers all the time, because back in the days when things were much simpler, there was very few parts, very few things that could go wrong. Nowadays, it actually takes more time to figure out what's wrong with all the sensors and the electronics. It takes longer to figure out what's wrong than to actually do the repair.
And we know best, you gotta pay for expertise sometimes. Oil changes, how often should we really be getting them?
It depends on your driving conditions, what you're putting your vehicle through, but honestly, it depends what you have in the vehicle. If you've got a full synthetic high-end oil with the NAPA Gold filter, that's gonna last a little longer. It depends your conditions, what you're doing from 3,000 miles to 10,000 miles.
Good point. What happens if you usually ignore that noise?
It depends what that noise is. It could be something very serious. It could be a bearing going out, it could be a U-joint going out, or it could be something as simple as the valance dragging the ground a little bit. So bring it into your NAPA Auto Care Center, we'll look at it, take care of that noise, because it could be trying to tell you something.
And that's, I'd say, the same as racing. You kind of ignore that noise, it turns into a bigger noise if you leave it.
It could get ugly.
Yeah. Batteries, why all of a sudden do they die? What could be the reason?
People take their batteries for granted. I mean, they last 72 months. You put a good NAPA battery in there, you forget about it. But during the winter months, when you're using your lights and you're using your accessories, it's a drain on it. And they go, unfortunately, they die. They've got a lifespan. So it's something you need to keep up on when you come in for your service, your oil changes. Let's check that life on that battery.
I like all the accessories running off my battery, so I understand that. And when it comes to repairs, why is it that they sometimes take longer than expected or longer than the quoted time they were supposed to be?
Well, a lot of times you're going after one simple fix, but when you get to it, you've got to remove other parts and pieces to get at it, and you'll find other things that are failing or you have problems with. Breaking nuts or bolts that haven't ever been used in 100,000 miles. Things happen, sometimes it takes longer, but communication's important. When you've got a customer waiting for something, just let them know what's going on. They always seem happy.
Yeah, and I'm sure they appreciate that. When it comes to 60,000 mile service, do I really need something like that? Do customers really need that?
You can't go wrong. When you're gonna be in for an oil change sometime around 60,000 miles, take that inspection. Let us look at everything. Your NAPA Auto Care, your ASE certified technician will inspect everything, and it'll keep you from being broke down on the side of the road. 60,000 miles it's a good jaunt. Let's take a good look at everything.
Yeah, and if you're already here getting an oil change, you might as well just get it done. You're already at the right place.
Exactly.